What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 5th of June. We're taking a look at Casper this morning, Monday morning, bright and early. Casper down in the red once again, guys, down 2.57%. Currently, 3.62%. Casper is down this Monday morning. So yesterday we had a pretty decent close. A little surprised to see Casper, what looks to be anyways, finding resistance at 466. So keeping our eye on this as the day moves forward here and how much lower we go. A lot of red across the board, crypto and stock market. So let's take a zoom in here. Guys, this is a daily chart. So as we were paying attention yesterday and have been for a while, 466 is the level that was holding for a while. We spoke about a couple different scenarios that could play out, and we got that big shakeout, big break to the downside. But guys, yesterday we had a close at 469. We closed above our 466 level, which was very good to see. If we go to the 3-minute chart, you could see, looks like, yeah, we had a break below, and then, let's see, that was the 4th into, so yeah, our close was above the 466. Just wanted to check out the smaller time frame there, but not the greatest view. Anyways, we'll have to see how today goes. So far, not off to a great start, but could be related to what the market is doing. And Bitcoin, we could see another shakeout. So today could start off in the red, and we could actually close, either up in the green above 466 and or higher than our yesterday's candle at 469. So we'll see if we close lower, not the greatest. That could indicate that we are heading down, maybe back to 435, maybe 415. We'll see. It depends how ugly it gets across the board with the crypto market. But going off yesterday's candle, I would be surprised to see the market continue to trend down here, especially undercutting the lows from yesterday. Let's take a step back here and see if we have any. So this candle here, similar candle, not exactly the same. Next day was a red day. Then we ended up trending, not really trending, but we had 2 green days, and then the market actually rolled over. This day over here, the 16th, next day was a red day. Market kind of traded up for a bit. Here's a similar candle with a red day. Market traded up. Let's see if we can get another view here. So I guess essentially it would be correct me if I'm wrong on the terminology, a hammer candle. And it looks like, just a quick glance at the chart, that this low essentially should hold, but we could trade sideways to down for a little bit before getting that next bounce higher. So let me know if I'm correct on that terminology of the hammer candle. I read a candlestick book. Well, I should say more than a couple. And there's one specifically I'm trying to think of. It has a black cover. Anyways, it was a very, very in-depth candle book. Read it a long time ago. It was pretty good, but don't really follow that. Anyways, so we'll see. Once again, guys, 466 is the level that you could see. It was support. We got that big breakout, that shakeout, that scare event, running stops, found support down there at 435, closed above 466. Very good to see. Today so far flipped into resistance, and we'll have to see where we close. Like I said, judging by a quick glance at the chart to the left-hand side, looks like we could get some sideways to down before getting a next move higher. But ultimately, I would imagine the lows from yesterday should hold. So that's my thoughts on Casper. Let's jump over to Bitcoin real quick, guys, as the Bitcoin market is trending lower as well. Bitcoin, once again, 28,249. Been talking about that level for a while. We are back underneath this neckline here from this head and shoulders topping pattern. So far, we have a lower high. So we have a higher high to a higher low to a lower high. And it looks like today, maybe we're going to get that event that gives us that lower low, really giving us that change in trend. But that change in trend could easily stop like it did twice already at the 26.23, 25.760 area. But just like how Casper broke that area, we could see a big break into Bitcoin, maybe down to this 25,000, maybe 24.8, give or take. But the most important level I have on my chart right now is down here at 22.5. So we'll see. This looks like a big topping pattern. But so far, we have the support at 26.23. Take a quick look at XRP, guys, if you're still hanging around. XRP, breaking out, taking a pause right in this mid 50 range, 53. We actually had a target of 53 for this most recent breakout, and it ultimately hit like 52, I believe the high was 52.9, and pulled back to our 58.42 support, and then has rallied up to 50. Let's see, the high was 54.6, trading at 53. So we ultimately got there. Definitely some major resistance up here at 55, but the we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So the markets are trending higher here for XRP, but check out this big level here. 55 cents is major resistance. So if that can break, we have targets up there at 63 to 68. So we'll have to see, guys. Let me know your thoughts on XRP, Casper, Bitcoin, and correct me if I'm wrong on that hammer candle. But I think, if I remember, that's what that candle was. Guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for hanging out. Join us here if you have not yet already. Hit that thumbs up. Have a good Monday. Be careful out there. These markets look like they're in the red today. Take care.